And there they are. We still got one up there on watch. There he is. All right, guys. You drink some of that water now. I know you need it. There you go. Get those feet wet. Oh, yeah. Don't worry, they'll definitely dry up quickly. Up, up. There you go. Ooh, having a little argument. I don't even know what that little birdie is. Well, he's getting some of the peanuts and maybe a little bit of the bread too. See if the crows notice and get mad. So far, they're not. Oh, yeah, well, I guess that took care of that. And I got a whole garden of babies here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be swarmed. The birds! Oh, they're surrounding me. They're gonna come to get the spoils that the crows leave behind. But I haven't seen the seagulls back. Munchy, munchy. Oh, they're fighting. The little guys are fighting with each other. It's funny, one's a little lighter and one's a darker color. And I'm gonna let this go so I can start another one.